In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play an easy game. It's perfect for family gatherings as well as an activity for activity professionals to add to their monthly calendar. Hi friends, welcome back to So Obvious. I'm Apolinar. With the holidays coming up, a lot of us are going to have a lot of family gatherings where there's going to be a lot of children or a lot of people that might not have anything to do. The game I'm going to show you guys today is called Snowman Dice. It's very simple. All you need is some paper, some writing utensils, and at least one dice. I learned how to play Snowman Dice at the last long-term facility that I worked at. It is a game that is loved by all the residents that I've worked with, as well as the children that have come to a lot of the family gatherings that my family hosts. It's very simple, very fun, and it can even be altered so that adults can play it, and it can even be turned into a drinking game. So let's get started. As you can see, I have my writing utensil, my paper, and my dice. The purpose of Snowman Dice is to be the first person to draw your full snowman. The catch is that each part of the snowman is assigned to a number on the dice. Each part is assigned as follows. Number 1 is the body, the 3 circles. Number 2 is the face, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Number 3 is both arms. Number 4 is the 3 buttons in the middle circle. Number 5 is the hat. And number 6 is the scarf. What each player would have to do is they would roll the dice, and whatever number landed, I got number 4, is the number that they have to draw. So I would have number 4. Number 4 is the buttons. So I'm going to draw the buttons. Then I'm going to keep rolling. I got another 4. Since I already have the 4, then I don't do anything for that turn. Now, if you're playing with one person rolling at a time, that means that for that round, that person would get skipped. If you're playing where multiple people are rolling at once, then I would simply just keep rolling until I got something that I could use. Now I have number 2, which is the face. Then we simply keep rolling. You keep going until you finish the whole snowman. Once somebody has the entire snowman, they win. Or if you're having everyone roll at once, whoever is the last person to finish the snowman is eliminated that round, and the rest of the players continue doing another round until there's only one person left. Part of what makes this game fun for adults and children is that because you're not going to get all the numbers in order, as you see that I got the body last, sometimes the drawings that you create are going to look a little wonky. And if you want to play this game with adults, you can have a rule where the person who finishes drawing the snowman first chooses another person in the game to take a shot, or whoever finishes the snowman last has to take a shot. Like I said, this is a game that you can play with kids, adults, the elderly. I know the residents at the nursing homes that I've worked at love this game. It's a game that was taught to me by my previous manager, and I've used it ever since for the last 3 years. If you like today's video, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram at @ApoliLook, where I post some of my upcoming projects and videos that I'll be posting on here. If you didn't like this video, then you're not allowed to play this game at your family gathering. I don't make the rules. Sorry. Okay, bye.